ya si me wo wa ija ni yes gina koba o ya si me wo wa oba tope. My beloved brothers and sisters across the world, I say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you all. My name remains Elder Curtis Erusa Ugo. I want to let everybody know what is going on in our land, in Benin Kingdom, in Ologbo to be precise. There is one man that calls himself Johnson Atekekale. He has been terrorizing Ologbo for years. He even wrote a letter to the Enogi of Ologbo, the then Enogi of Ologbo, in 1995 to be precise, that they are the owners of Ologbo, Jukdom, that they are not under the Enogi, that he is in charge, he is the leader of the Shekiri in Ologbo. Ever since then, Johnson has been perpetrating criminalities in Ologbo. He has been dredging sand. He has been logging wood, and also he has been doing bunkering in Ologbo. Recently, he started selling the land of Ologbo in Benin Kingdom with his own document signed by him that he is the owner of the land in Ologbo. Johnson, your criminality you have touched the lion's tail. You say you are strong, but our ancestors are stronger than you. Almighty God is stronger than you. You are not God, Johnson Atekekale. Some few days ago, precisely last week, Johnson Atekekale went to the Enogi of Ologbo Palace and started shooting periodically with his thugs, with his militant boys in Ologbo. They broke into the palace of Ologbo, the Enogi of Ologbo, Jukdom. They killed the cows there. They killed 2 human beings, 2 Benin people. And Johnson, he has bought the police with money. He's saying that he's a billionaire. Johnson, we want to know where you are from. We want to know your source of income. We want to know, you call yourself a billionaire. How did you make your billions? This is just the beginning. Benin Solidarity Movement have taken up your case, Johnson Atekekale. You cannot go scot-free in this issue that is right on. Johnson Atekekale, wherever you call yourself, I knew you in Ughelli in 1992, 91, 92, 93 as an Okada rider. Johnson, where is your family background? That you have the guts to come to Benin land in Benin Kingdom to be claiming ownership of the land. Not only that, you are terrorizing, intimidating, brutalizing people, killing people in Ologbo Kingdom, Jukdom. Johnson, you are not greater than God. You are not greater than our Oba Benin. Oba Atope, Wala, Inikao. Johnson Atekekale, no worry, Shekiri Yeki. Ego Esene. Ekpe Nokewu. Oke Finugie, Oba of Benin. Owe Oba yan to Toba. We yan leader Shekiri le Ologbo. Oba Lao. Oba Atope. You call him Mayake, Johnson, Okpenoke Finugie Gwa. Since 1995, he wrote a letter that Ishekiri, they are not under Benin Kingdom. They are not loyal to Benin Kingdom, that they are loyal to him. So, Ore Johnson, Ukwe Vone. Onona, Emaya Ukwe, the Johnson, the Oba of Benin, great Oba of Benin, Oba Atokbe. Nuche Johnson, Adiegwa. No do time well. Ọmọ no era, ọmọ no nya otedo no hiene. A business die no Ologbo. Wani Not to tell yala dia. We are aware, Johnson, that some government, unscrupulous government officials are working with you. They are behind you. We know their names. At the appropriate time, their names will be in public. My name remains Elder Comrade Curtis Ewosa Ugbo, the President Benin Solidarity Movement. Johnson, this fight you have started will consume you by the power of God and the power of ancestors. Thank you and God bless. Ọba Atọ́pẹ́ Ẹgbẹ́ Awẹ́sẹ̀.